right, happy morning once again, dear students. We are back in yet another session of business communication skills. Yesterday, we have begun with something called as communication via social media. And if you all remember, we began with LinkedIn as one of the social media. LinkedIn is more of a professional networking website instead of just a social networking site. So here is my LinkedIn feed. Okay, if you remember, I have shared with you all about InnoFest. The same comes as a post here by Dr. Apurva Palkar. She is the Director of Innovation, Incubation and Linkages at SPPU. Okay, so yeah, she's one of my connects there. Then you see an advertisement here. Now, I will want you all to create your own LinkedIn page today itself. Not page, sorry, but LinkedIn account. Everyone with me? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. See, as a business management student, understand that you all must have your own LinkedIn account. If you already have it, then my next question would be, do you post on it regularly? Okay, some meaningful posts, not good morning, good afternoon, good night, those kind of messages. No, something meaningful that will add value to the one who is reading through your posts. Okay, so yeah, if you are doing that, well and good. If not, then the time is now. As a BBA student, every one of you should have a LinkedIn account. Okay, so everyone today is going to create their own LinkedIn account. Creating account is not a big deal. You all will be able to create one. I'm sure about it. But what kind of posts are you going to make? Right. So those posts need to come here. When you write, click here, create a post. So whatever post for today, and if you want to include, you can add pictures and all of that. Even a video you can add, right? And then post it. Tag your friends. Tag your friends. You know that very well. If you tag your friends, what happens? Your visibility goes higher, right? Because you are now on even their feed. That is one. Plus, people who follow your friends, they will be able to see that feed because they follow your friend. Okay, so that is how in link with, keep on networking with one another happens. Now, the best thing that happens about LinkedIn is, apart from that, you can also type in jobs here. Do you see this jobs wala icon? Right? You can search here for jobs. You can search for people over here. See, if I have to search this particular person, or for that matter, yeah, anybody who has a LinkedIn account here.
I have it.
Yes, ma'am, I have.
I have
Ma'am,
it.
I also have it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me your name, please.
Alisha Sheikh.
Alicia Sheikh. Is this one student and Pune College of Arts, Science and Commerce?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if I search for Alicia Sheikh,
No,
by
ma'am. This.
default, no, this is not you. Okay,
No.
this is not you. Then which one is you? Do you have a display pic here, DP?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else with their names, please, so that I can search
Ma'am,
for
I
them easily?
Jabir.
Jabir. Yes. Jabir Pinwala.
Yes,
Yes, I
ma'am.
can see
Yes.
that immediately. This is your DP, right? So this is how I can start connecting with people. So even with when you are trying to communicate, when you're trying to reach out to your friends, to your classmates, this is how you can do. So I searched for him. I will send him a connect request. Okay. Either you can customize this invitation or directly send him as a connect request. Okay. You can view that person's full profile here, and that will help you to understand if this person is really known, or is this person going to add value to your connection, to your network. Okay, my network is not slow, but I'm sure my laptop has gone a little slow. Okay, here it is. So I hope, Jabir, you don't mind I viewing your profile here in front of the entire class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, so here I am. So, okay. Now understand, guys, that when you are creating your LinkedIn profile, you must add all your details here. He has already done for it. Javir has already added Anjuman Khairul Islam, Pune College of Arts, Science and Commerce. You will find this in education list there. And he has also mentioned what course he is doing, okay, which batch he is from, all of that. Then his interest in terms of companies interest, he is interested into Microsoft and fresher jobs. Yes, I was coming to the fresher jobs. Okay, this is how you find and search people, and this is how you will be able to now try to search jobs. Now if I have to search jobs, say BBA freshers, okay, so that I am going to see in not all results but in jobs. Okay, so here are the job openings, so many of them. See, I'll scroll down from here. See, so many of them are available here. Again, you can refine your search. You know that all very well, right? So you can do it, say if you want to stick to Pune itself. So you want to go for Pune, Maharashtra, India. So anything and everything in Pune will be available here in terms of BBA freshers. So you can keep scrolling and scrolling, and right, I guess there are only these many. So suppose it is business development. If I click here, if anybody is into digital marketing, you want to get into their marketing, then here is another job opportunity, right? It shows you all the detail. You can literally glance through the entire JD. Where is my scroll back here? You can glance through the entire JD, the job description, what is the company all about, and all that stuff. Understand that when you're doing this job search, you are indirectly communicating it with the company people. Now the moment I see this particular job, okay, it shows through, it comes as a pop-up to the one who has posted this job. So who has posted this job, it will also come here. See more. Yeah, so this is how it has come up. Scroll. Okay, let me do this thing. I guess there is a lot of load because my camera as well as my sharing is on. I will put off the camera for a while. Just a moment. At least I will be able to save on the bandwidth is fine. It's the laptop which has gone slow. Okay, yeah. So this is how it shows up in detail, right? You can click on see all details and you can scroll through. Okay. And when you're scrolling, you get to see their website, you get to see their contact number, company size, headquarters is in Pune. It's founded in 2015. It's a new company. Okay. And it's located in Viman Nagar, right? So you can take your own informed decision if you want to apply for the job or not. Okay. Is this understood, everyone?
Yes,
How to
ma'am.
search for jobs and all. Now, searching for jobs will be possible only and only if you have an account there on LinkedIn. And understand that there is no mediator here. Okay, it's directly the companies who are posting the jobs there. So you have a better chance to get directly connected to your company professionals instead of via people. No, those are not required here. Okay, I hope this is understood for you all, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So each one of you today itself is going to have their LinkedIn account. And if you have yours once already, then see to it that you are going to update your profile. you're going to start posting something valuable, something meaningful on your LinkedIn feed. Okay, that's one. Now we will quickly move on to Facebook. That is the another social media that we are going to speak about. Okay, and how do we communicate not just with our friends but with companies also? Give me a quick moment and I'll share this tab. Okay, before I go ahead and share the tab, I better should put my video off so that there is no load on the laptop, because that is what I have observed. Things are not falling into place. Let me know once my tab is visible to you all.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Cool. So now it is working fast. Good. So this is my account here. There are a few official accounts that I manage. Just a moment. Let me scroll through. So if I go to this page for that matter, that is Pune College, which I manage here. So this is what is the page looks like. Okay, you all need to go to Pune College official pages, which are available on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Insta, all of them, right? So that once you like and subscribe it, you will be able to get all the notifications, right? You people know it better how it works. So see, if you remember again, your induction program that was posted here as well. Okay, with all the hashtags and all, right? If it's all about admissions, again, admissions is all posted over here because it is a business account, right? So if it is an official account of Pune College, what else would you see? Anything and everything about college, of course. See, that's how it looks like, right? And even for that matter, any kind of outstanding achievements or any special mention of Pune College in the news, in the media, that is also shared over here. If you all remember, there was a meeting that was on Zoom, wherein our own principal has addressed you all. So that has also been shared here. Yes. Now, coming back to your own personal account. Okay, so I go back to home. So I get into my account here. So when I go to account, okay, it's still slow. Fine. Yeah, it shows the JA edification while add suggestion because I manage that page as well. Yes, so yeah, Mr. Dorabji is here and he has posted something very personal. So this is absolutely true because this is going to happen on Facebook. On Facebook, you cannot expect things to be very formal there, no, or professional there, no. Facebook is more of a purely social media. So you want to connect with your friends, you connect, you have checked in somewhere, checked out somewhere, you are enjoying your trip or something, people post it there, okay, on Facebook. However, there are many business groups involved on Facebook also. See, if you see the groups here on the left pane, when I click on that, I will be able to see all the groups here. So there are people who post for business when we talk about Facebook business. So Facebook is not just about hi, hello and all. You can also promote your business. Look at this. If you have this kind of a business, ceramic jar, revolving platter, right? It is an original demo that is being showed here so that people get interested and they would want to go for it, buy it. Okay, there's nothing about business here. Let's see about this one. Somebody is doing something creative out of that eggshells. Okay, so here, see, do you see? It's all about business. So even if you want to put up a particular ad that there is, you want to hire some so and so people, you can give the JD here, you can write down and you can publish your post here. Again, use of hashtags is going to take you to the Now, Association of Trainers, yeah, see facilitation and all of that. Cool. Right. Now, understand that, yeah, see, this is how the comments you will see on Facebook. Okay, now this is something serious. It's about HR Infotech Association, and this guy, Mr. Ashish Gakre, he has received a Lighthouse of L&D award, which is a really very premium award in terms of HR industry. All India Trainers Group, see, all of that. So when you're talking about business, also you got to post it. But don't you think here in this entire post, there is a lot of things which are missing out? In the sense that there are no use of hashtags, in the sense that people are not tagged here. Okay. If you want your post to be more visible, if you want that your network and their networks will be able to see and follow your posts, you got to use those kind of hashtags. I'm sure you all must be using your hashtags while you are posting, right? So I don't think that there is a need for me to tell you that, okay, this is how you should be using a hashtag and all, right? Am I clear? Are we all on the same page?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now, there's something about your favorite. I'm not able to log into my Insta. I forgot the password. I will try to fetch it by tomorrow, hopefully. I'm so sorry about that. Okay, here is my YouTube now. And I will share with you all my screen. I guess I will have to put off my video again. Wait. Tricky things. All right, I hope my screen is visible to you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah, thanks. So if I got to see this on YouTube, okay, the
We have this
2-minute
entire
rule.
misunderstanding of what
Okay, these are the ads, of course. Skip ad. Now, before I go any further, you all know that you can create YouTube channels, right? Each one of you knows that. So if any one of you can say, ma'am, this is why I use a YouTube channel for. What is that one reason? Why would you create a YouTube channel for yourself? Anyone? I'm sure these things are nothing new to you all. Instead, you people would be 10 steps ahead of me in terms of using social media. But then, how are you actually utilizing your skills of knowing social media in the sense that that is adding value to your CV? Second, it is making you money. Third, it is making you get good connections. Fourth, it is reaching you out to your potential client. Anybody who knows why are you going to use a YouTube channel? You can unmute yourself and speak. Anyone? I'm sure you know why do we use YouTube channels? Why do we create a YouTube channel and then use it? And then you keep saying that, okay, you got to subscribe to my channel and then hit that notification button and all of that. Yes, anyone?
I think it is you can upload any content which you really want to. You can promote your own thoughts or any business without any restrictions. That is very important. Without any restrictions, but it should not be against a caste, creed, or a country or a religion. I think that is very important point. But
Right.
rest all can without any restriction. You can upload your desire, your thoughts, your business, and if your even your life, the journey of your life. That's it.
Right, right, right. Anybody else who wants to add to it? I forgot this guy's last name. Let me search it with the This is a famous YouTuber. No, not this. Adil Abdali, something like that. Abdali Shah. Yes, anybody else who would want to speak about why do we need to have our own YouTube channel? Anybody? Anybody? Okay, if at all you could see here, I have subscribed to our Pune College of Arts, Science and Commerce channel, and these are all what we keep sharing with our students. Anything and everything that happens as a webinar, as a poster, you can find all this list of videos that we have on our channel. Okay, and all the departments keep sharing it. A lot of videos, a lot of stuff that you can get benefited from, of course. And also it is like, see, if you are trying, of course, now is the time that everyone wants to keep in terms of education, we want to keep it hybrid way of learning. When I say what is hybrid, hybrid is all about, you either learn live or you want to learn something which is not live but it is recorded. Like for example, if I will be sharing with you all something, a pre-recorded session, okay, only for that, so that you go through it, you learn from it at your own pace, at your own convenience, right? There would be some times that maybe I would be like not available to conduct a live class, and what I would be doing in that case is I will pre-record a session and then I will share with you all. Okay, what I would be doing is either I will be posting that into your Google Classroom or I'll be sharing that on my YouTube channel, either or. So if whoever wants to go through and they do not want to miss out on the syllabus, they will go back to that video and they will learn. So that is a hybrid way of learning. Either you learn it live or a pre-recorded session, anything, right? So when I go to this particular page here of our YouTube channel, official YouTube channel, yes, you can see so many things. Even people from abroad have spoken about the impact of COVID and all of that. A lot many things have been done. The international people speaking about global economic forum and many such stuff. All of them have been uploaded here on our official YouTube. So all you can do is, yes, go ahead and subscribe to our official YouTube channel and keep hit this bell button, which is also the notification button. The moment there is any new video uploaded on our official YouTube, then you will be able to see through it. Now, anybody who knows that yes, you can literally monetize with the help of your own YouTube videos, through the help
Yes,
of your
ma'am.
YouTube channel, yeah, you can monetize it. How many? Okay, just a moment. I'm so sorry for that. Yes, we were talking about monetizing your YouTube channel. How do you do that? Anybody? What is that particular number of hits or the particular number of likes that you
1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time.
1,000.
4,000 subscribers.
No, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time.
Okay, 4,000 watch time, 4,000 minutes or seconds, what is it?
Minutes.
Minutes, okay. And 1,000 subscribers. Ajmal, did you try creating your own YouTube channel and uploading it with
No,
videos?
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
then you know it. See, guys, this is where we are lacking. Okay, If we know the power of social media, why not use it? Why not use it? But see to it that you are uploading videos which add value to people. Okay, I will quickly fetch this guy's YouTube channel here, just a moment, from my personal account, because I have subscribed to him from my personal account. So it's Ali Abdal. Okay, it's not Abdali. So just a quick moment here, and I will fetch his YouTube channel here. He is really an inspiration, you know, in terms of the kind of content he keeps adding to. Yeah, here it is. He is this person. Is my screen visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll subscribe him even from my official account here. So Ali Abdal, if you see his statistics here, is 2.36 million subscribers. Imagine 2.36 million subscribers, and he has uploaded so far only 419 videos. Literally, he keeps uploading a lot of videos. If you can see the kind of videos he shares, how I run this YouTube channel, day in the life, this book changed my love life, then the 5 magical apps that changed my life. You know, he talks everything practical. He will literally show you as to what is going to add value in your day-to-day life. Okay, then the 9 passive income ideas, how I make $27,000 per week. By let me tell you, by the way, he is a doctor by profession, and also a YouTuber. Imagine, a doctor is having all the time to create videos and to post it on his social media, that is the YouTube, and also making money. So how is he going to do it? See, the best productivity hacks of all time. All this comes where from? When you start reading. When you start reading, you will get that level of knowledge that, okay, this is how I got to do, this is how I got to better my life. So if you start reading good books, if you start getting good content which you want to share your knowledge with the world, then yes, create such kind of a short video and send. And by the way, if you see the duration of his videos, see 8 minutes and 9 seconds, short videos, huh? See 16 minutes. Here there is 6 minutes again. Elon Musk's 2 rules for learning anything faster. And he uses all those tools and techniques, you know. And he does not do it all alone. He, of course, he outsources it, right? Now, this is Robin Sharma, another wonderful guy who keeps on sharing a lot many good, knowledgeable videos. See, you can do wonders if you know what to follow, right? So YouTube is such a blessing if you know it, how to use it. So when I say using it, so you can go through these kind of good videos, and you can learn a lot many things here. See how I manage my time 10 time management tips he gives, and that too he is giving in 11 minutes. Okay, 11 minutes. And for this particular topic, which was posted 7 months ago, he has got 1.4 million views already. So that's how it is. See what makes people successful, the unfair advantage, how to beat procrastination. Don't you think these all topics are what is needed in our day-to-day lives, right? Something which is very relatable to us, so that anybody and everybody can go ahead and start watching it, right? So choose those kind of topics for your own videos, which is going to be common, general, and helpful for others. Something which people are looking for. Okay. People keep saying that, oh my goodness, 24 hours. I feel that I should have been blessed with 30 hours a day. I find that 24 hours is also less for me. Why? Because they're not able to manage their time well. Each one of us is blessed with 24 hours, right? Right? Is it so that, okay, I am given 30 hours and you all are given 20 hours, somebody is given 24 hours? Is how the distribution of time with us? No.
No, ma'am.
Each,
No, ma'am.
right. Each one of us is blessed with equal time slot. Then why is it so that only few people are able to manage it well and others keep cribbing that, are tiny? I don't understand why people try to show off that they are so busy that, tiny. God knows what do they do with their 24 hours. On the contrary, see, it's good to be occupied, it's good to be busy, but that doesn't mean you're doing stupid, meaningless jobs or tasks being busy. If you want to be really busy, then be productive in terms that whatever you do is going to add value to yourself and to the organization for whom you're working. Okay, so yeah, these are the kind of things that you can always search on YouTube and make your lives really smooth. That is one. Now, when I talk about communication in terms of social media, I did not remember his last name, and that's why I ended up, searching for any other Ali Abdali and all those keywords, right? Keywords is the way you use to communicate with the backend processes of YouTube or any other social media for that matter, right? So yeah, if I have to search, see, all these kind of things are already in the search engine. So go ahead, start creating your own YouTube channel and start putting up meaningful videos there and short videos. Let that not be an hour long videos. Nobody is interested to watch hour long video, by the way. Yeah, you got to attend my class. That is another thing. But then all in all, yes, if you search on YouTube, by looking at the length of the video itself, you feel a turn down and you'll be like, a very long video, I will not watch. Yeah. Then when we talk about learning something good from social media, there's something called as an audiobook also. Okay. Have you heard of that, audiobooks? Yes, no, can't say.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So when you watch or when you listen to audiobooks, that is one way where people, you can literally multitask while you're listening to that audiobook. You do not have to sit in one place and go through the book and all. Well, that is for the people who are always on their toes. People who are traveling a lot, yes, for them audiobooks are a good, go ahead for it. But if you are stable in one place, then yes, a book is a better version to go through, to read through, and learn, add to your knowledge. Now, okay, we are done with LinkedIn, we are done with Facebook, we are done with YouTube. Twitter
Twitter.
and Insta, yeah, Twitter and Insta is a problem for me to show from my laptop. Reason being, I forgot the password. Let me see if I'll be able to, connect it through my phone and then show it up. Just a moment. Okay, by the way, if you remember, I have told you earlier also why and what is the image of Twitter nowadays for you all. Anybody? Anybody who is active on Twitter?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. What kind of posts do you see? Yes, anybody else who said?
Ma'am, mentorship,
Ma'am, Javed.
business management.
Okay, okay. So there was this wonderful post by Mr. Shashi Tharoor. I follow him for, of course, many reasons here. Of course, the kind of posts he has are hilarious, one, sarcastic, two. And that's why I follow him. Yeah, so I could fetch my Twitter. Wait, let me quickly start sharing my screen from my phone. Okay, just a quick moment. So yeah, this happens when you forget your password. Yes, I am logged in with the help of my phone also. Let me start sharing my screen here. Okay. Yeah, can you see my Twitter here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The first post itself is of Shashi Tharoor, who says the Lok Sabha isn't an attractive place to work, with 6 of my fellow MPs this morning. So this was in a very lighter note that he mentioned, and if at all you follow Shashi Tharoor and the kind of personality he is, so yeah, and then he went on to say that those were these MPs who made me click the photo, who made me want to share this, tweet this, because then people started were like, oh, so it's all about the women, huh? That kind of thing. Then you see, yes, Amitabh Bachchan. Yes, I follow Anand Mahindra, and here is the post. This is one pandemic that we are happy and proud to say originated in India. It's the Indian CEO virus, no vaccine against it. Now, what is he talking about? He is talking about in with regards to this particular post by Patrick Collison. Now, what is this post? Is Google, Microsoft, Adobe, IBM, Palo Alto Networks, and now Twitter, run by CEOs who grew up in India. Wonderful to watch the amazing success of Indians in the technology world, and a good reminder of the opportunity America offers to immigrants. Now, that is a little offensive in terms of, uh, you know, addressing to somebody's talent. Why do you have to say that yes, this is an opportunity that America is offering to its immigrants, and the immigrants, and he has literally shared Indian national flag and the US flag as well, right? So this is how I told you it is more of a ranting media than information. And really well, Anand Mahindra has tagged him and said that this is one pandemic that we are happy and proud of. What is that pandemic? That all your CEOs, American company CEOs, are from India. So we are definitely proud and happy about it, right? And it's the Indian CEO virus, no vaccine against it. Amazing. That is a hats off kind of a post. So I told you, so this is all about ranting. So Patrick Collison actually put up as a rant here. Now, what does Shashi Tharoor has to say? If you let us come in your way, if you let us come into your land, why do you think we'll rob you? US guy says, because that's what we did when we came to yours. It's all about colonialism. It's all about migration. So it is definitely in continuation to what Patrick Collison has said, right? So indeed, right. And see the next one. I come from an India where a political party with 303 seats in parliament is scared of a stand-up artist. So now you understand where it is leading you to. Okay, so that's how it's all about. The Twitter and the thing that yes, you better got to either see again. This is also a very good platform wherein you can directly connect with these biggies. Okay, if I want to share some innovative idea with Mr. Anand Mahindra, because now people know that Mr. Anand Mahindra and Mr. Ratan Tata both are into both are in the awe of startups, right? So if you have a wonderful startup idea, I will definitely go ahead and I will tag Mr. Anand Mahindra and I will definitely tag Mr. Ratan Tata, because the way they are, supporting startups is immense. So yeah, why not? Why not? So yeah, fine. So that was about Twitter. Now I will take you to Instagram. Do we have time? Okay, we do have, yes. Just a moment. And I'll start sharing here. I hope my post is visible here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I follow a group of people. So yeah, their feed comes in. I follow Goldcast, so that good kind of a post pops up here on my feed. When you look at people who are successful, you will find that they aren't the people who are motivated, but have consistency in their motivation. If you do not believe you can do it, then you have no chance at all, right? So those kind of wonderful stuff is being shown. Then yes, Mad Over Marketing, yeah, that is a one wonderful page that I follow. Opening a jar might be easy for you, but it can be very challenging task for people with limb differences. Indeed. Here's how Ole is making a difference. Now they will show you the entire stuff, how Ole is in all about, the product design. So do you see now how people are capturing businesses and then making a report on it, making a case over it onto in terms of marketing, right? A marketing case is created, and that's how they are now posting it on their walls, right? So that's how somebody's business, you start making analysis of it, and if people are liking that analysis, that also becomes a good kind of a marketing promotion for your own self, right? So here you see Regenerist Ole. Ole has designed a jar lid with 4 major upgrades that meets the needs of users with limb differences and visual impairments. Okay, so all of that, yeah. And most importantly, Ole has also made the design available to all competing brands. So they can recreate their jars and make products accessible to everyone. Now, this is all about inclusion, right? So why should people with special needs be left out? So this is a wonderful corporate image that they are now portraying in front of the people here by Ole. So yeah, it's that kind of a thing. And then see, again, another business, see, creativity and all. So this kind of things keep on happening. Ayushman Khurrana, right? Again, Mad Over Marketing. So yeah. So if you are into Instagram, see to it that yes, there is something called as reels to it. I'm sure you must be aware of what reels are. So if you go to this particular reel, okay, I will stop doing that. So reels are the short videos which actually need to be really very creative, and I'm sure you guys are heavily creative, highly creative. Reason being, you guys are, I told you earlier also, you guys are the young generation. You know things 10 times better than us, our generation. So yeah, something best that you can make out of your social media, go ahead, work on it. And when you're doing it on social media, see to it that yes, which very well even Kishore pointed out, do not hurt anybody's sentiments there in terms of religion, in terms of age, in terms of color of the skin and blah 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 blah. Don't be offensive in any which ways in terms of your posts. See to it that you are there only to share information and make money out of it if you can eventually. See to it that you want to reach out to people. Okay, I'll stop sharing here. See to it that you are going to reach out to your potential clients with the help of your videos in terms of your posts on various different social media. So what all did we cover today? We have covered today about LinkedIn. We have covered today Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. All of these 5 important social media websites, and how do we actually materialize whatever we are going to post there. See, mindless scrolling is a different ball game altogether. Everybody, the moment you are distracted from something, you will go back to your social media, you start scrolling mindlessly there. Is it going to add value to you? No. Are you going to make money out of it? No. Are you getting some kind of a certificate out of it? No. Are you going to get a degree out of it? No. Then why do that? Right? Instead, look and search for better videos, just like I have shown one example of Robin Sharma and Ali Abdal. These kind of people whom are real influencers when we are talking about YouTube, when we are talking about Instagram and blah, 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 who actually add value in our lives. If we go ahead and watch their content, right, at least kuch knowledge to milega, right? At least you will learn a skill or two, right? If nothing else. Yeah. So yes, go ahead, and first and foremost, today's assignment for you all is that you are going to create a LinkedIn account for yourself. If you have one already for yourself, then go ahead, update your profile. There should be a good profile pic also on your LinkedIn profile. Reason being, if you are not visible on LinkedIn, that is a huge turn down for your future employers, because they would want to see you, who you are, how you are, all of that. Let your profile speak for you. Let your wall, the posts that you are going to post, speak for you. Okay. I hope today's session was enlightening one, and yeah, that should be all in terms of business communication skills. Tomorrow we are going to do how to build a resume. Okay. And eventually we are going to end up landing into how we are going to write a job application letter. Are you all game for it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. We'll do that instantly tomorrow. I hope today's session was insightful for you all. I hope you all got to learn some new things. If not new, then at least some additional stuff. Okay. Till then, you all take care. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.